Hi, Dylan. What color is that? Right. What color is this?
Oh.
Good. How about this one? Purple. Good. What color is this? Oh, what color is that?
Frog.
Not frog. Green. How about this one? Yellow, right? And what about this one? Red.
D.
What letter is this?
D.
D. Good. How about this one?
D.
F. Shh. How about this one?
O.
Oh. How about this one, Dylan?
E.
Good. Here, sit down. How about this? What letter? Dylan, what letter is this? Look. What letter? Hi, Griffin. Dylan, what are you doing? He lost his concentration.